Hey guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. Today I'm gonna be talking about a little bit of glow, not a little bit, a little more of glow. I'm gonna be showing you my 2019 favorite highlighters. So let's quickly get started. So I'm gonna start off with liquid highlighters because this 2019 I used a lot of liquid highlighter because I loved the way it made my skin look all dewy and glowy. These are not like less intense, okay? Everything is intense in this video. So the first one is this NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster. You guys must have seen me use this pretty much often, like pretty often. I have used this in so many of my videos and I use this like every day as well. And this one is in the shade Glazed Donut. Yep. So this is this beautiful champagne shade, as you can see. And usually, you know, people say that liquid highlighters are less intense, but honestly these are not intense. Like I said, this is an intense video, so are the highlighters. They are very blendable. I want to show you the blended effect of it also. So like they are really blendable, but they are like super reflective. So the second one, the second liquid highlighter is by Nykaa. This is their Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter and this is in the shade Glazed Bronze. Now, not gonna be like your normal toned down highlighter. This one is intense as well. Now this one is a little bit thicker than the next one, but the color on this is so beautiful. It's like this bronzy gold shade and it's a little bit creamier, but again very reflective, very reflective. I love using this highlighter for like on days when I'm wearing very less makeup and just I want a glow which is very like smooth, not like powdery. So still it has to be intense. So this is the highlighter that I reach for. I love it. I love this highlighter. This is so good. So these are the two liquid highlighters. So from the powder highlighters, the Maybelline Master Chrome has to be my hands down top favorite highlighter from the drugstore, more like an affordable highlighter. But other than that, I have been using these two. Now these, both of them are like high-end highlighters, but I love the shade and I love the formula on this. That's why I've been using this like non-stop. The first one is this Anastasia's Beverly Hill Amrezy highlighter. Now this is what it looks like. Again, I'm gonna link all the pages from where you can buy this highlighter. This is like a beautiful gold champagne shade and I'm wearing it right now. I have toned it down a little bit and this is again very smooth and very reflective. I would love to show it to you. Look at that. It's so smooth and reflective and pigmented. So yeah, this is a highlighter that if I want to blind someone, I'm gonna wear this. This is that good. So the second powder highlighter is something that is actually raved in the market. Like I've heard a lot of people talk about Bobbi Brown highlighters, but I personally didn't know that they are really good. So I was sent a package and in that I got this Bobbi Brown's highlighting powder and this is again in the shade Bronze Glow. And look at that, it actually looks like a pretty dark shade for me. So I was like, I don't know whether this is gonna suit me or not, but look at how beautiful this highlighter looks. Apart from looks, I tried it out and ever since I tried this highlighter, I only use this. I keep this in my purse because I know that this is a beautiful highlighter. It's actually not like that cheap looking, very intense highlighters. You know, there are some highlighters which end up looking a little bit cheap, but this does not. So let me show you the swatch, what I mean by it. See, it's so smooth. It is reflective also. It's not like blindingly reflective, but it's reflective. It literally looks like you applied some high-end highlighter on your face. I want to show it to you. I'm just gonna dip my brush in this and I'm gonna show you what I mean by it. It's a very luxurious looking highlighter. Look at that. It is intense, but it's so smooth and soft that it doesn't look like a cheap highlighter. It looks like a very beautiful, luxurious highlighter. So yeah, those were all the highlighters that I've used pretty much every single time. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna see you all in my next video, which is the most awaited one. Honestly, it's the lipstick video. So I'm gonna see you all very soon. And then bye.